How to log in NewDay Amazon credit card online accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your NewDay Amazon credit card accounts. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in NewDay Amazon credit card login. As you do so, you will see its official website of login. Click open that link. Then as you do so, you will land onto this page. Under here, click onto the username box and type in your username. In case you would like to remember your username for this site, check the box that says remember my username and click on to next. Just like so, at the next page, you will see a box like this where you have to enter your password. Once you do so, click on to login, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your NewDay Amazon account. And this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.